Are you looking for the best magnetic rowing machine? In this video we will look at some of the best magnetic rowing machine on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. Sunny Health and Fitness. Sunny Health and Fitness is a prominent fitness equipment manufacturer that offers a range of high-quality exercise products, including home-use rowing machines. One of their featured rowing machines is equipped with a digital meter that provides users with valuable workout data. The onboard computer allows individuals to track essential metrics such as stroke count, calories burned, and workout duration. This feature enables users to monitor their progress and set specific goals for their rowing sessions. The rowing machine comes with wide-range rowing arms, designed to mimic an authentic rowing experience. Users have the flexibility to customize their workouts by utilizing the rowing arms individually or simultaneously, providing them with a full-body workout. Additionally, the multi-grip rowing arms allow for various hand positions, making it easier for users to adjust the rowing resistance and intensify their workouts according to their preferences and fitness levels. Convenience is a priority for Sunny Health and Fitness, and the rowing machine is no exception. The equipment is designed for easy storage with the incorporation of transportation wheels. Users can easily move the rower from one location to another within their home, making it convenient to set up a workout space. Moreover, when the rowing machine is not in use, the sliding rail can be folded upright, allowing the rower to be stored in compact spaces, saving valuable floor space. Number 2. Merax Rowing Machine. The Merax Rowing Machine is a versatile and reliable fitness equipment designed for effective aerobic and endurance exercises at home. It offers an 8-level adjustable tension resistance, which can be easily controlled using a resistance selection knob. This feature allows users to customize the intensity of their workouts according to their fitness goals. The rowing machine features a 2.2-pound CNC flywheel, providing smooth and consistent sliding action during workouts. The 8 different tension levels offer a challenging fitness experience for individuals of all fitness levels. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced athlete, this rowing machine offers customization options suitable for you and your family's needs. In terms of comfort and ergonomics, the Merax rowing machine excels. The 12.2 x 9.8 wide 3-degree angled saddle seat is ergonomically designed to match the curvature of your body, providing a comfortable and supportive seating position during workouts. The 11.8 x 4.4 big, slip-resistant, and adjustable foot pedals ensure that your feet are securely held in place, enhancing safety while exercising. Number 3. ShareVgo Smart Rower Folding Magnetic. The ShareVgo Smart Rower Folding Magnetic is a cutting-edge smart rowing machine that offers a convenient and efficient way to stay fit and active at home. The rower incorporates proven technology, which has gained the trust and love of numerous users. It is worth noting that the entire design and testing process takes place in-house in Silicon Valley, California, ensuring a high level of quality and reliability. One standout feature of the ShareVgo Smart Rower is its compatibility with the all-in-one app, designed to support ShareVgo smart weight scales and other smart home gym exercise equipment. Additionally, it is compatible with most Bluetooth heart rate monitors, HRMs, including chest straps and optical heart rate sensors on the market. This integration allows users to track their performance and progress effectively, enhancing their workout experience. The setup of the ShareVgo Smart Rower is hassle-free, as it offers easy Bluetooth connectivity with the ShareVgo Fitness app for both iOS and Android devices. Moreover, a recent update enables users to sync their fitness data with popular health and fitness platforms such as Apple Health, Google Fit, and Fitbit, making it easier to manage and monitor their overall health. Number 4. ECHANFIT Magnetic Rowing Machine. The ECHANFIT Magnetic Rowing Machine is a professional indoor cardio training machine designed to provide users with a better workout journey. As part of the ECHANFIT brand, which has been serving the fitness industry for over a decade, this rowing machine aims to redefine the fitness experience. One of the standout features of this rowing machine is its silent magnetic resistance, which ensures a smooth and quiet workout. This feature allows users to row indoors without worrying about disturbing their family or neighbors, making it a great option for home use. The rowing machine offers 16 levels of tension, which can be adjusted to suit individual fitness levels. This customization feature enables users to tailor their workout plans and progress at their own pace, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced fitness enthusiasts. Number 5. Hydrow Connected Rowing Machine. The Hydrow Connected Rowing Machine is a state-of-the-art at-home fitness equipment designed to provide users with an unparalleled rowing experience, emulating the on-water, outdoor reality of rowing. This innovative rower enables users to engage 86% of the body's major muscle groups, delivering challenging workouts that are both high energy and low impact, making it suitable for individuals of varying fitness levels. What sets the Hydrow apart from traditional rowing machines is its commitment to redefining the rowing experience. It achieves this through patented technology that captures everything from the sights and sounds of rowing on water to the synchronicity and camaraderie experienced in a boat. This immersion adds a unique and authentic touch to the workout, setting it apart from other rowing machines on the market. The Hydrow features a 22-inch HD touchscreen and front-facing speakers, enhancing the immersive experience further. The use of a patented electromagnetic drag mechanism replicates the feeling of rowing on the water, making users feel as though they are actually out in a boat. When not in use, the Hydrow can be conveniently stored upright, making it a practical addition to any home environment.